Your front and interior doors play a critical role in your home's appearance, security, and energy efficiency. Over time, doors can experience wear and tear that makes them less effective, less attractive, and even a security risk. If you live in Bethesda and are wondering if it's time to replace your doors, there are several signs to watch for. This guide will help you identify when your doors may need replacing and how doing so can benefit your home. Visible damage or wear are one of the most obvious signs that it's time to replace your doors as visible damage. This could be cracks, warping, or a peeling finish. Over the years, weather and use can take a toll on your doors, especially if they're made of wood. In Bethesda, where winters can be harsh and summers are humid, wooden doors are especially vulnerable to the elements. If you notice any deep cracks, chips, or gouges that can't be repaired easily, it's likely time for a replacement. Difficulty opening or closing. If your door is no longer functioning smoothly, it's a sign of a problem that could indicate the need for replacement. Doors that stick, squeak, or require excessive force to open and close are not only frustrating but can also be a safety hazard. Misaligned doors often occur due to settling foundations, humidity, or aging door frames. While some issues can be fixed with adjustments, others may indicate that the door is beyond repair and needs replacing to ensure it operates properly. Drafts and poor insulation doors are essential for keeping your home insulated. If you feel drafts or notice that your home is colder in the winter or warmer in the summer, your door may not be sealing properly. Older doors, especially those made of less energy-efficient materials, can have gaps that allow air to seep through. In a place like Bethesda, where the weather fluctuates throughout the year, replacing your door with one that has better insulation properties can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs, making it a wise investment in energy efficiency. Increased energy bills. If you've been noticing an increase in your energy bills without any significant changes in your lifestyle or home usage, your door might be to blame. Older, drafty doors can let in outside air, causing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This added strain on your heating and cooling system leads to higher energy consumption. Replacing an old door with an energy-efficient one can help reduce your utility bills and improve the comfort of your home. Security concerns. Your doors are an essential part of your home's security. Over time, doors can weaken, especially if the locks and hardware become worn out. A door that no longer locks securely or is made of a material that can easily be broken into is a major security concern. If your door feels flimsy, has a cracked frame, or the lock is no longer functioning properly, it's crucial to replace it as soon as possible. Upgrading to a sturdy, secure door with modern locking mechanisms will enhance the safety of your home, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Aesthetic appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If your door is outdated, faded, or no longer matches the style of your house, it may be time for an upgrade. A new door can transform the look of your home, improving curb appeal and increasing its value. Whether you're selling your home or simply want to freshen up its appearance, investing in a new door can make a big difference. Soundproofing issues. If you live in a noisy area or just prefer a quieter home, a door that doesn't provide good soundproofing might be a problem. Older doors, particularly those that are thin or have poor seals, can allow outside noise to penetrate your home. Upgrading to a solid core or insulated door can help block out noise and provide a quieter, more peaceful environment inside. Frequent maintenance. If you find yourself constantly repairing your doors, it might be time to replace them. Whether it's fixing the frame, replacing the weather stripping, or sanding down scratches, regular maintenance can become a hassle and an ongoing expense. Eventually, it may cost you more in repairs than simply replacing the door altogether. Conclusion. In Bethesda, where the weather can be unpredictable and homes are subject to the challenges of time and wear, it's important to pay attention to the condition of your doors. From security concerns to energy inefficiency, there are many reasons to consider a door replacement. If you notice any of the signs mentioned above, it's a good idea to contact a professional to assess the condition of your doors. Replacing them can not only improve the look and feel of your home but also increase its energy efficiency and security.